You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. How I paint my backgrounds. It might not be what you think. First, I'm going to set the table. Roll out some paper towels and put down my paper. This is watercolor paper, 140 pound. I'm filling these little adorable paint half pans with these little cups of paint that I've already mixed. And as I fill each color, I clean out my tools by water spraying it onto paper. Save every last drop. I like to watch the paint and the water mingle on the paper, to dance and play on the paper. It's really kind of cool. So even though I'm working, I'm still kind of playing. If I leave and let it dry, I come back, I'll add more water. Are you thinking I just ruined it? Nah, you'll see. I turn the pages over and I get the pattern from the paper towel printed onto the paper. Do you want to see? Do you really want to see? Let's see. Check it out. Look at that pattern. Isn't it cool? All the colors are blending, dripping. I encourage you to get some paper, paint, and water and play. Have fun. I can already see the flowers emerging. So my half pans are filled, they're drying, my papers are drying. And what will I do next? I'm not done. You'll see.